In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into Suncorp Bank, alright? So basically, Suncorp is one of Australia's largest financial service brand offering home and motor insurance, which means they provide insurance in home and motor, which means cars, and like banking, life insurance, and other superannuation. There's a lot of service provided by it. You can visit the official website to know more about it. But this video is on how you guys can log in into it, so let's get into that. Alright, but before that, you guys are watching One Two Step YouTube channel. It's me, Richie Kevin, and if you guys are new to this channel, be sure to hit that like and subscribe with notifications on so you guys can get notified for a future video. Now let's move on to today's video. So first step is search for Suncorp Bank and click on where it says internet banking over here. After you click on it, it's going to take you to the official website of Suncorp Bank where you guys can log in into it. Internet banking is also known as e-banking, so don't get confused. Once you're over here, just click on login. Once you click on login, it's going to give you all this option. You want to click on the one where it says under banking. You want to click on internet banking over here. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the internet banking sector. You need to wait for some time. Now, once you're there, it's going to ask you for some information. And after you provide the information, you should be able to log in into your account. Like your customer ID over here, you want to enter a customer ID. After you enter a customer ID, you want to enter the password of your account and like the token code. Now, token code you need to add if only required, all right? If you don't want to add it, you can leave it empty and click on login. But once you click on login, if it asks you for some reason, you need to fill it up. All right. So this is like optional. If you want to leave it empty, you can leave it empty. But if later it asks you, then you need to enter it for security purpose. But at beginning, you can leave it empty. Just click on login and you should be able to log in into Suncorp. That's basically how you guys can do it. So hope you guys were able to understand. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and bye-bye.